Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is WAEC Math 2019, and the question goes thus: solve this given fraction. Okay, so let us quickly write everything out again. Okay, for easy explanation, equals to 4. So if we look at this, the denominator, we need to look for, since the denominator are not the same, we need to look for a common factor, which is 6. Okay, that is the LCM of 2 and 3. Alright, so now 2 and 6 is 3, so we're going to multiply this by 3. Okay, so we have 3y plus 3. Alright, good. Then 3 and 6 is 2, so we're going to multiply this by 2. Okay, then take note of this minus sign. Okay, so to go along with a minus sign, so minus 2 times 2y will give us minus 4y. Minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2. Okay, minus times minus is plus. Alright, equal to 4. Alright, so now we can just cross multiply or multiply both sides of the equation by 6. So this we go. Then now we collect like terms. 3y minus 4y is minus y. 3 plus 2 is 5. So everything is equal to 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, good. So now we subtract minus 5 from both sides of the equation. So we have 24 minus 5. Okay, alright. So minus y equals 24 minus 5 is 19. Then we have to remove the negative sign from the left hand side, so we divide both sides of the equation by the negative sign. So we're going to have y equals to minus 19. So this is our final answer. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.